Okay folks, today's experiment is the third experiment in the antivirus laboratory kit. This is one I have not been looking forward to. Basically we are going to demonstrate how bacteria, viruses, germs pass from one hand to another in a handshake using two opposing hands of my own. And we're going to use glitter of different colours representing person 2 and person 1 and see what gets transferred across. And it's going to make a mess, and I'm going to be finding this for years to come. Well, let's get into it. I'm going to leave the gloves on while I remove this. These packages are designed for children, so I have no excuse as to why I'm struggling. We can blame the gloves. Let's try and do this without getting any on the gloves, shall we? What? Well, that just complicated things. That's going straight in the bin. It's not even sitting on the bench. A little bit of cross-contamination already. Now we have the copper. Chose these colours because they conflict a little bit. Oh come on, we've got the same staple problem. Surely it's by design. Make your parents happy, make a mess. I'm going to have to be sure to do that. Now I need to remove the gloves, wash my hands, dry them thoroughly, and go one and then one, and we'll try and join them together over a single piece of stainless. Okay, the gloves have been removed, hands have been washed. Okay, we've definitely made a mess there. Right. So we've got some germs. Okay, nice to meet you folks. There's your handshake. And we have, there you go. And now to clean it all off. Okay, I've got a water bottle here. Let's do a little experiment. Let's say you go to your service station. You've got your microbes on your hand. Take your water bottle, give it to the service station operator. They scan it, they hand it back to you. What do we got? So we've got a lot of things. Worst case scenario, I grab the lid, you grab the lid. Well, plenty of both. So then you basically would go, right, the operator's got a cold, unscrew your lid, touch your face, touch your eyes, or worst, look at that, if you have a cut, the sparkles right in there. One of each. There you go. Alright, so there we have it, the all glitter experiment. Thanks for watching. While the camera stops bouncing, it's time for me to clean all this up. There you go. Wipe them down, get rid of them.